Hi, I'm Hunter. I'm a 11th grader at Smyrna High School, and I am in the PLTW pathway.
I'm Maddie. I'm a 10th grader in high school, and I am also in the PLTW pathway.
So, in the engineering pathway, IED is the first course you will enter. You're going to learn a lot about 3D modeling, sketching, problem solving, and a lot of decision matrix. So if you're willing to learn how to 3D model, or you want to learn any of those important skills in life, I really recommend joining the STEM pathway because you're going to learn a lot of that.
The Year 2 pathway is called Principles of Engineering, and we go into more team building and hands-on activities. We still utilize the design process, but we go more into depth with it.
So in our Year 2 course, another thing we focus on is resume and portfolio building. That's a big thing that's going to help you with the real world. I know my resume is already set up, so now when I want to go apply for a job, I already look more official than somebody who doesn't have something like that set up. You're also going to work on a cover letter too, which is another thing that's going to help you get jobs. And the STEM pathway as a whole is going to set you up really well for the future.
You're able to focus on one skill and really hone it. Want to go into architectural design, so I will be going into the architectural competition at TSA. And with the combination of the sketching and 3D modeling that we've done these past 2 years that I've been in STEM, that's really beneficial for me personally.
So the Year 3 course, EDD, is our capstone course. It is a culmination of all 2 years, and that's where you're really going to learn how to put things together. You're going to have to 3D model, you're going to have to do sketching, you're going to have to design process, you're going to learn how to build an effective survey. You work with the same group for the entire year. It's one project, and my group's working on making a coffee table toolbox. So we figured that people, especially towards women in college that need a toolbox, but maybe not like an industrial sized toolbox because they don't have a garage or something, they could get a coffee table toolbox, and that is what our project is. So we're working on something that we want to work on to solve real problems in the real world, and it's really going to teach you a lot of skills that you can use later on in life.
Our after-school club is called TSA, Technology Student Association. There are a multitude of different competitions that you can do, such as architectural design, aerospace trials, dragsters, and fashion design.
There's plenty of other competitions. My main specialty is VEX Robotics. I really enjoyed the VEX Robotics, and then there's also a big unit in POE called Bridge Building. It's the Dell Dot Bridge Building competition that you can also participate in TSA. That is an amazing competition to participate in because you're going to learn more about the team building, more about portfolios and all that stuff. And you can actually win money and prizes. And it's a trip. You get out of school for a day, and the same thing with VEX Robotics. You'll get out of school for a couple of days and go compete with your robot and see how well you can do. I love it, and I think everybody should join it because there's tons of useful skills and tons of things you can do in the STEM pathway. It's for everybody.